Hi, my name is Andrew Lucas and this poster describes an experiment I did as part of my PhD. During my PhD, I studied the emergence of lexical competition in very recently learnt words. This short talk will explain a little bit more about the methodology we used, mouse tracking, but the poster itself will cover most of the experimental work. The picture we see here shows a typical mouse tracking trial. This image is taken from the paper First Introducing Mouse Tracking, Spivey et al. 2005. A typical language mouse tracking experiment manipulates which referents are on screen and which word a participant hears. The word a participant hears instructs them to click on one of the objects, here, candy or candle. In one condition, the two referents have labels which are onset competitors, i.e. their first phonemes overlap. This is the competing condition and is designed to evoke lexical competition. In the control condition, however, the labels for the referents do not overlap, and the competition between the referents is only perceptual, i.e. driven by the physical properties of the referents, not word recognition processes of the sort described in speech perception models. An example of a non-competing pair of referents would be candle and guitar. There are various ways to measure lexical competition with mouse tracking, but pilot data from my PhD has shown the length of the mouse path to be the most sensitive measure. Here we can see lexical competition in the line with the unfilled circles. Participants deviate more towards the competitor object and rise higher on the screen, giving a longer mouse path. By contrast, in the control condition where there is no lexical competition, as illustrated by the line with the filled circles, participants deviate less and move more directly to the target. This third image shows the condition means in our experiment. The three lines indicate the three types of words. The red line shows words learnt long ago, i.e. familiar English words such as candy and candle. The blue and green line shows trials where the target was a word learnt long ago, but the competitor was a novel object. If a participant had learnt the novel word, and this novel word had been properly integrated into the lexicon, then it would compete with the familiar word targets in much the same way as seen with the familiar words. Theoretical accounts have suggested that these integration and lexicalization processes only take place with sleep. Therefore, we compared words learnt yesterday, post-sleep representations, and novel words learnt today, which had not had the benefit of sleep. The competing pairs are shown on the right, and the non-competing pairs on the left. Just as with the familiar competitors, the novel competitors were onset competitors of known words. For example, Aliot was a competitor for the target alien. In summary, we found no effect of a single night of sleep, but there was evidence of immediate lexical competition. Moreover, compared to the size of the competition effect for familiar words, this effect was smaller. This final picture shows the mouse paths for words learnt today. Although the effect is small, there is a clear peeling away of the competing condition, in blue, from the path participants take in the non-competing condition, shown in red. This is a clear demonstration of a lexical competition effect, as participants were attracted towards the competitor object.